Hi guys, press the bell button and then subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome back. I'm doing a oil pastel coloring. So I have a sheet and some masking tape, tissue paper, scale, a 8B dark pencil, oil pastels, and I got a really good quality of oil pastels. I have a light yellow oil pastel, a light orange, dark orange, red, gray, and black. So now let's start. I have right now yellow. So let's start coloring. Now I'll use a light orange. Now I will use dark orange. Now we'll take red. Now I will merge it with a tissue paper. I fold my tissue paper like this. I will merge my beautiful picture now. You have to give a lot of pressure on it. Color a little bit more red. Now take this and merge it. Now I'll color gray. I'll use my black. So I'm going to use a tissue paper for here so the oil pastel don't get in my hand. So far I did this much. So here's like a flag. Can you dark this bird? Right now I'm using B8. I mean 8B. Now I'll make my Golden Gate Bridge. Now I'll make my Golden Gate Bridge. Now make some line. If you want to know how I made the sketch, comment down below, and one of my videos will be those. I have 3 colors, dark blue, middle blue, and light blue. So let's color the water now. Take dark blue. This. Now I'll use middle blue. Let's start coloring. Looks like it's gonna turn out really good. Now use light blue. So I'm almost done. If needed, I will add more color. For now, I will take out my tape. How it looks like. Hope you like my video, and please comment down below if you want to know how I made the Golden Gate Bridge. I made some birds of 1 flag and some boat riders who are boating in the water. And till then, bye.